Hi everyone, this is red beans and rice for Mardi Gras. Good any time of the year. I made it all in the crock pot in one pot, so you don't have to dirty up any other dishes. It takes about 4 to 6 hours depending on what meats you choose. So if you want to see how I made this, stay tuned, keep watching, and thanks for tuning into my video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I don't know how you found me, but I'm glad you're here. I'm Jennifer, the channel for easy, quick recipes. Next week is Mardi Gras, and I wanted to give you guys a quick red beans and rice recipe that I'm gonna cook in the crock pot for 4 hours. Let me show you the ingredients. I've got some green peppers, they're frozen, and like I said, quick and easy recipes. I didn't chop any vegetables. I bought a bag of onion, celery, and carrots already in the bag. I've got bay leaves. You're gonna need some 𝐂𝐈𝐶𝐂𝐂𝐋𝐀 Creole seasoning. I've got 2 cans of red beans. Red beans and kidney beans are different. I do not like kidney beans. These are red beans. You need some smoked sausage. You need chicken broth. You can get it in the can. I have it in the carton. You need 2 cups of water, and I've got a couple of ham shanks and a ham bone. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cut up. Like I said, everything goes in the crock pot. You serve this over rice. I think it's absolutely delicious. And like I said, for Mardi Gras or any type of Creole or Cajun, I'm not going to get into differentiate what's the difference, but this is delicious over rice and it serves as a full meal. Welcome to my channel. I upload 2 videos a week and include an inspirational quote and always add a crazy controversial joke at the end. So let me get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, I got my crock pot here. I've got it lined with a crock pot liner so I don't have hard cleanup. This is 2 cups of water. I'm adding in first, and you're supposed to rinse the beans, so I did. I rinsed them in the can. I washed it off with alcohol wipes a couple times, and what I do is keep rinsing them until they're clear with the lid on, smashing it down. So I'm going to add the 2 cans of red beans. If you prefer kidney beans, then by all means use kidney beans. This recipe also calls for 2 cans of chicken broth. I'm going to go ahead and add my ham shanks, or whatever they are. And then I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, and then 2 tablespoons of Tony's Creole seasoning. And then ask for onion, celery, and carrots. I decided to just buy the mixed in the bag, because you know my channel is all about quick and easy. And you need some bell pepper, and I already had some bell pepper already cut up and sliced up, so I'm going to add that. It was also in the freezer. I'm going to add my smoked sausage. Let me put you guys on pause because, like I said, it asks for 2 cans of chicken broth. And I'm using it out of the carton, so I'm going to use one of these cans to pour it. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to add my 2 cans of chicken broth. I'm using low sodium. And if you guys like it spicy, I have a recipe that you can also add Tabasco sauce or hot sauce to this. I'm just going to stir this up a little bit. You cook this on high. 4 to 6 hours, and I'm going to take the bones out and pull all the meat off the bone and put it back in there for an additional hour. So I'm get this going, and I turn this on, and I'll see you guys back in a little bit. This is an excellent, delicious dish. Serves as a full meal if you like, or you can have some fried chicken or something on the side. Real common in New Orleans. Okay guys, this is where I fish out the ham bone, the ham shank, and the pieces of ham. There's one of the bay leaves that I have to fish out. That's one. It was 3 pieces of ham I put in here. Let me see if I can find them. Yep, there's the second one. I'm going to let these cool off and chip whatever little bits of meat I can get off of here and put them back in here. I know there was one more. Yep, here it is. I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to see if I can find that last bay leaf. Oh, there it is. I got lucky. Take that out. Okay, at this point, and what makes this dish so easy, like I said, I'm doing it all in one crock pot. So what I'm going to do now is add the rice. I'm going to add 1 full cup of rice to this. and a half. And I'm gonna let this go another hour. And my house smells absolutely delicious. I love red beans and rice. When I see it on the menu places, I almost always order it. That and jambalaya. And just makes a really good dish. If you don't want to do pork, leave the ham out and definitely use beef sausage. This gives it a little bit of extra flavor. So I'm going to put the lid back on, go a last hour, and then come back and show you guys the final product. And as always, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my quick, easy weeknight meals for people who don't like to cook, don't want to cook, or don't know how to cook. So see you back in 1 hour. Just wanted to show you quickly how much ham was on the bone. That's what little bit of ham I was able to get off of there. It's not a whole lot, but just enough to add some extra flavor. Okay, so we'll let that go 1 hour. Okay, there you have it. Mardi Gras red beans and rice. Got a little ham in there, smoked sausage, vegetables, carrots, onions, and bell peppers, and rice. And I wanted to tell you, I found the differentiation. Creole food has a tomato base, and Cajun is usually more spicy. I want to thank you guys for watching. God bless. I'm so grateful for all of you who tune into my channel. Let me tell you guys my joke.
A 7-year-old and a 4-year-old were in their bedroom. You know what I think? It's time we start swearing, said the 7-year-old. When we go downstairs for breakfast, I'll swear first, then you. Sure, replied the 4-year-old. They made their way downstairs and their mom asked the 7-year-old, what do you want for breakfast? He says, I'll have Frosties, bitch. Whack! He flew out of the chair crying his eyes out. The mom looks at the 4-year-old and says sternly, what do you want? The 4-year-old takes a deep breath and replies, I don't know, but it won't be fucking Frosties. Oh my God. See, I grew up in the 70s. You know, kids these days, I don't know if that's what they're doing, or why would you even think of something like that? You know, like I said, I grew up in the 70s. You'd have been unconscious. Teeth might have been missing, you know, no telling, especially in the African-American community. You know, our moms didn't play that. You didn't talk like that. But I thought it was kind of cute, thought I would share. Please give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, this meal is delicious any time of year. It's really big now. I'm down in Louisiana, New Orleans, because it's Mardi Gras time and people will be down there traveling and eating a lot of different Creole dishes. So love you guys. Thanks for watching. God bless, and hope to see you on the next one.